Hi everyone, Paolo here. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last Unreal Engine tutorial as I've been busy with my other channel, with my other hobby. But now I'm back, relearning the engine and time for another tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to use and possess a pawn or a character. So I have this very basic setup. When I hit the tab key, it's gonna randomly switch between these characters that I have on the level. So now I'm possessing this character. When I hit the tab key, I'm now possessing the same character because it's random. Let's try that again. Now I'm possessing the green character. And I could cycle through them using the tab key. So this is a very simple tutorial. Let's get into it. Right, so starting off fresh, I have a third-person template here. I stripped out everything. And from here, I'm just going to drop the BP third-person character here and then clone it. And on the first character, we're going to change the mesh so we could identify this character. I'm going to put this green color on this character, and this other one, just this one. To be able to possess one of this character, what I'm going to implement is create a new blueprint class actor and call it BP switch and just drop that in this level. I'm going to open that class, go to the event graph, and I'm going to delete this too. We just need the event begin play. On event begin play, I want to get all actor of class the BP third person character. And I'm going to promote this to characters. That's it. And I'm going to create a keyboard event tab. And first, let me try something. So here, I'm just doing a simple print. When I compile and save, if I hit the tab key, nothing is happening. So to enable this tab key to work, we need to enable the input. So say enable input, and it needs a player controller. So I'm gonna get the player controller, which is the index 0 player, the one that we're currently using. And when I hit play again, the tab key should now work, right? So to implement the simple setup that I have, I'm just gonna get all the characters and say random item on array, and then we're gonna possess this character like so, and it also needs a target, so we're gonna get the player controller and hook that up and then play. So when I hit the tab key, I'm switched, but I didn't switch to the other character because it's random. Now I'm on the other character and hit the tab key again. Let's try to get into that green guy. Now I'm the green guy. Alright, so that's the basic tutorial. Hope you like this new tutorial. Thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be releasing more Unreal Engine videos in the coming weeks. Cheers, bye for now.